What time is it, everybody? It's 11:06. Sorry, Grandma, nobody likes you. Guys, that was a joke, of course. I'm just saying what this. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna check the comments of my last video. Sorry for that, cringy. Probably not cringy, but game theory. Never mind. I'll watch that later. Okay. But I need to see the comments on my last video. Seeing this one. Hi, everybody. Yeah. Yeah. So I lost a subscriber. Okay, enough of that. Okay, so I need to check the comments, and I will be back after I find a comment. Okay. I'm just wasting time, aren't I? Okay, guys, I haven't checked the poll, but, yeah, nobody's done the poll. Okay, so everybody, I'm gonna react to this, which is what I said in the last video. Yeah, in the last video, I'm gonna react to this. Now, it may look like I've already watched it, but my friend watched it. I haven't. So don't question it! Please don't hate me. Okay, we're gonna watch it now. It is 3 minutes. Seagulls, stop it now. I didn't get to read it.
I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all in my pants. Just a little music can't help. Rockin' now, rollin'. Down to the beach, I'm strolling.
This is good so far. I mean, because it's just Yoda.
I said, seagulls, stop it now.
I might read the subtitles and try to go along, but I probably can't. Unless it repeats it over and over.
Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Said seagulls gonna come, put me in the coconut. And they did. Had me going like,
Never mind.
when these birds attacked me, when I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids started laughing. And then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack.
Got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Whoa. I haven't seen the original Star Wars movies. Original. I've seen the latest one. Last Jedi, Force Awakens.
Show you some dance moves. No, I don't want you to. If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could about run those birds. You're psycho wiener. Let me grab my Peter.
Oh, it's R2-D2.
Stop it, please.
Come on, man, quit that banging. Hey, what's that stank? You put a fish in our basket. Oh, yeah. I forgot I did that. You owe me an apology. Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds back your face.
Don't jump. I can be a backpack while you run.
Swing from a hairy vine. I can be a backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and live. Rocks with your special gift.
The Force.
Run, jump, now breathe. Yeah.
Right there.
One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over. Underneath was a tiny little stick. I was like, that log had a child.
That log had a child.
Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder.
Oh, that's harsh.
While you're lying there
Oh, okay, I thought it was going to say stop it now.
Stop it now.
Yeah, whatever. You're sort of pitchy.
Didn't like it?
Listen, man, I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep.
Oh, crap. I've seen something like this. You'll see how much time I have left. I have a lot of time on my hands. I literally have 5 more minutes. Whoa! That's a lot of comments. This guy must be good. I don't know what to do. Now, guys, please comment a video down below. You haven't been commenting. I'm sad. I have literally no games to play. Please! I'm gonna end the video now, but please, seriously, comment what game you want me to play down below. Now, goodbye. Good. How am I gonna say goodbye? Goodbye. Sorry, I'm not roughing off Stampy.